Hello everyone. Today I am presenting my UI UX case study for Fitstart, a beginner-friendly gym fitness mobile application. This project was designed to help first-time gym users start their fitness journey with confidence through guided workouts, personalized fitness goals, and progress tracking. Throughout this presentation, I'll explain my complete design process from research to the high-fidelity prototype. So the main objective of Fitstart is to simplify the fitness journey for beginners. Many existing fitness apps are designed for experienced users and often overwhelm beginners with too many features. Fitstart focuses on providing a simple, clean and easy to use experience. My role in this project was to conduct research, create wireframes, build the UI and design the complete user experience using Figma. Before starting the design, I researched the challenges faced by beginners. I found four major problems. First, many users don't know which exercise to perform. Second, they lose motivation after a few weeks. Third, most existing fitness applications have complex interfaces. Finally, many apps doesn't have clear progress tracking. These problems became the foundation of my design decision. So the solution: to solve this problem, I designed Fitstart with four key features. The app provides guided workouts so beginners know exactly what to do. Users can choose personalized fitness goals based on their needs. Progress tracking allows users monitor workouts, calories burned and achievements. Finally, motivational features such as workout streaks encourages users to stay consistent. So the user research: to better understand users, I conducted research through interviews, surveys, and competitor analysis. I focused on participants between the ages of 18 and 30 who were new to fitness. The research showed that most beginners wanted a simple interface, personalized workout plans, and easy way to track their progress. These insights helped shape the overall design of Fitstart. Based on the research findings, I created a user persona named Alex. Alex is a college student who recently joined a gym but has very little workout experience. His goals are to build muscle, improve his health, and remain consistent. His biggest challenges are not knowing where to start and finding complicated fitness apps difficult to use. Designing for Alex helped me keep the app beginner friendly. Next, I created an empathy map to better understand the user needs. Beginners often say that don't know where to start, think they may perform exercise incorrectly, feel confused but motivated, and usually search online for guidance. Understanding these emotions helped me design an app that feels supportive and easy to navigate. The slide illustrates the user journey throughout the application. The user fits discovers the app, creates an account, selects an fitness goal, completes workouts, tracks progresses, and gradually achieves their fitness goals. At every stage, I focus on creating a smooth and motivating experience that encourages a long-term engagement. So this is the user flow diagram of Fitstart. The journey begins with the splash screen, followed by login or sign up. New users select their fitness goals before entering the home dashboard. From there, they can browse workout categories, view workout details, start exercising, complete the workout, review their progress, and manage their profile. So this is the flow ensure a simple and navigation experience. Before designing digitally, I created paper prototypes to explore different layouts and navigation ideas. These sketches helped me organize screen content, improve the user flow, and identify usability issues early. This step allowed me to make quick changes before creating the wireframes in Figma. To maintain consistency across the application, I created a design system. I selected a clean color palette, consistent typography using the Poppins font, reusable buttons, icon spacing, border radius, and card styles. This design system ensures a uniform user experience across all screens. Here I designed reusable UI components such as a button, input fields, workout cards, goal cards, search bars, progress cards, button navigation, and completion pop-ups. Using reusable components improves consistency and also makes future updates easier and faster. So this slide showcases the final high-fidelity user interface of Fitstart. The application includes onboarding, goal selection, home dashboards, workout library, workout details, active workout, progress tracking, and profile screen. I focused on creating a clean, modern, and beginner-friendly interface with clear navigation and engaging visuals. The final result is a beginner-focused fitness application that simplifies workouts and encourages consistency. Through guided workouts, personalized goals, progress tracking, Fitstart helps users build healthy habits with confidence. During this project, I learned the importance of user research, wireframing, design system, and centered design principle. Thank you for watching my presentation. This project helps me understand the UI component and the UX design process from identifying user problems to designing a complete mobile application. I hope this case study demonstrates my approach to creating simple and meaningful user experience. Thank you.